Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to install Google Calendar as app on your desktop or laptop. Let's start. Open Google Chrome and go to calendar.google.com. Click the three vertical dots and select Cast, Save and Share. Then click on Install Page as App. Click on Install. You can also pin Google Calendar to the taskbar. Now close the Google Chrome. Google Calendar has been installed as app. To quickly open Google Calendar, double click on Google Calendar shortcut. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.